Everyone knows what Angry Birds is. Well, at least they did back in like 2011 or something. It's a nice little apps. They're nice apps, and all you have to do is kill a bunch of pigs because they steal your eggs and all that shit. And that's always been Angry Birds has always been like my childhood video games. So today I'm gonna see what Angry Bird am I. So yeah, let's just see what happens. What gender am I? Am I a girl or a boy? Well, I'm a boy. What is my strength? Uh, I'm not really any of them, so maybe like I don't know, blowing up. What would I do with my friends? Uh, None of those really suit me, so I don't really know what to say. Uh, I'm not a party person, but I guess a party. If I saw my enemy, what would I do? Uh, I guess I do need help. I don't know. What is my favorite color? Always liked I've always liked blues, so I guess I'll just go with that. Okay, I'm Matilda. I did not expect Matilda, but okay, that's something. No hate to Matilda, of course. She's a good character as well. I just thought maybe I was like Red or something, because Red's quite a relatable character, but Matilda would do. Yeah, I really don't know what to say. I don't really know what to upload anymore on this channel, so